Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to be modeling how to use algebra tiles to solve for a variable. So we have here is from your first little activity. We're going to solve for 3b minus 4 equals b plus 4. So there's a number that we plug in for b that's going to make both these two equations equal. And before I do anything else, I'm going to bring out this bound scale. So we're looking pretty much this as a bound scale, right? So this side will equal this side, so they weigh the same. And one of the things that I teach my students is I put things down, for example, right? These two circles, or maybe this plus sign here, have a certain weight to it. And so in order for me to have the same weight on this side, I got to put the two circles down and that same plus sign, right? Now they weigh the same. Things that we need to be aware of here. If I add a heart to this side, I need to add the same heart to this side to keep things balanced out. If I remove something, I better remove the same thing on the other side. Keep things balanced out. So they said to remove the two other four circles, 2 and 2, and then they stay balanced out, same weight. And that's what we're going to be doing with this here. It's just it's going to look a little different, and we're going to use these things called algebra tiles to do that. I draw this line to kind of model the fact that this side is equal to this side, and this is my equal sign kind of being modeled all the way through. This is called the left side of the equation. This is called the right side of the equation. So let's go and start modeling. 3b. Now these tiles usually are called x. So if you look over here and it says tiles, you see how they're labeled x over here? They can be any variable we want. So I got 3b, for example, so the 3 tiles minus 4, I said it before I started the problem, equals to b, and it's positive. Green means positive, red means negative. So this minus 4 is these 4 negative 1s, and these are 1s, plus 2. And notice that these guys are yellow, right? Okay, so 3b minus 4 equals b plus 2. Now, one of the moves I do is I can automatically go ahead and remove these two if I want to, and we'd be fine, and because what I remove from one side is the same from what I remove from the other side. Now, what does that really look like in terms of Algebra 1, right, or just algebra in general? In order for me to do that, I need to be able to cancel out these variables, right? So what I do is this. I'm going to put a negative b on this side, and what I do to one side, I got to do to the other, keep everything balanced out. And what these guys do is they're opposites of each other. So this is b and this is negative b. So when I put them here, they cancel out. You see that? They're gone. And when I put this guy over here, it cancels this guy out. On only one of them, right? And that's it. And it's gone. There's my 2b minus 4, and I accidentally got rid of them. There you go. Minus 4 equals to 2. Okay. I want to remove this minus 4. Right? So what I do is I'm going to put a plus 4 on this side. But again, I'm adding 4 to one side, and to keep things balanced out, what I do to one side, I got to do to the other. So if I put 4 here, I got to put 4 on this side, just where the weight stays the same. Can I come back to the fact that, I don't know if it's going to let me or not, but I come back to that balance beam. If I have this weight here, and I have this weight here, and I put 2 on this side, well, to keep it balanced out, I got to put 2 on the other side as well. Now they're balanced out, okay? So I put plus 4 here, I got to put the same plus 4 on this side. Now they're balanced out. These guys are opposites of each other, so they're going to cancel out. Now I got the variable on the left side. I got 2b equals to 6. And our next move now is to find out what one of the b's is worth. And the way I do that is it's not letting me do it. So let me see if it comes out here. There you go. It's by dividing the 6 equally to each b. So in other words, he gets 1, you get 1, you get 1, you get 1, you get 1, and you get 1. Each b gets 3. Get it? That's what division is when we do division when we're little. So I got b equals to 3. And that's it. And if I look here, I think the image is here. That was my final answer. B equals to 3. And there's the representation. You can always come back and look at this. This is what we're working on. And let's see where I have that video. I'm very, very absent-minded, so I forget where I'm working. Here it is. So I got b equals to 3. And just for fun, to see if it works. 3 times 3 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So on this side, 5 equals 2. And then up here, it's 3 plus 2. I'm putting the 3 here. And that is also what? 5. So it is a true statement. So my answer is b equals to 3. And that's it. That's me utilizing algebra tiles to solve for a variable. If you're looking at this thing here, the video is right here. And then we'll look at the videos that are here. Hope this works. Hope this helps. Not works. Hope this helps. It works.